Hey, this is Thomas with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you this Bennington Pontoon 21 SX. This boat is equipped with lifting strakes on both of these 25-inch tunes. This boat has the black paneling. This boat is equipped with nav lights and docking lights. You'll see nice lounge seating on the front side. This boat does have the Simtex material, which is actually a fabric. Stays a lot cooler to the touch, a lot easier to keep clean than the old vinyl. This boat has the L-shaped lounge with the kidney-shaped table back in the cockpit. This boat has a port side entry door. Nice captain's chair with self-leveling armrest. Looking at the helm, you'll see the Garmin Striker 4 in the center there, with all your gauges and plenty of cup holders. This boat will be powered with the Yamaha 115 and a ski tow bar, which is not rigged yet, and has a bifolding ladder. For more information on this boat, please stop by the Greenville, South Carolina location located at 14 Birdie Road, 29605, or visit our website at www.marinemax.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.